Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Piyush Agrawal. Today we are going to discuss the reason for declaring a primary key. In the previous session, I have shown you that I have declared a primary key. Let me open SQL server, guys. In the previous session, I have shown you why I have created a table and why I have created a primary key over there. Okay. So today we are going to discuss why to create a primary key in the table. So let me go through the ERD diagram which I displayed you in the last session, and let me make it bigger so that it will be clear to you guys. Guys, this is a primary key which is contained in the customer table, right? So let us assume this is a database of Amazon. Okay. All of you have shopped on Amazon anytime. Okay. So let us assume this is a database of Amazon.com. Okay. Now there are thousands and thousands of customers are getting registered in Amazon every day. Okay. It is highly possible that my name is Piyush Agrawal. It is highly possible that they have many customers with the same name as Piyush Agrawal. So they cannot identify me as a primary key. I mean, they cannot identify me uh, with the first name, with the name. Okay. They have to give me a unique ID. So if they have given me a unique ID of 101, they cannot assign this unique ID to anyone else. Why? This should be unique to me, guys. This should be unique to me. And they will consider this as a ID. And that will be a primary key that cannot be repeated to anyone else, and that cannot be a null also. That's why we call primary key as combination of unique and not null values. Now if I have given 101 as a ID, and which is a primary key, I have placed three orders: order 1, order 2, order 3. Okay. Order 1, order 2, order 3. Now if I have placed these three orders, how Amazon will come to know that these three orders are from me only, from 101 customer only? That I'm going to explain you in coming sessions, why we are declaring them as order 1, order 2, order 3, and how they are connected to me as as my orders. Okay. Similarly, this will go correlate to the concept of foreign key that will be in upcoming sessions. Stay connected, guys. Hit bell button, subscribe to my channel. Okay. So we will be seeing all the related stuff in coming sessions. Thank you.